Starfish, also known as sea stars, are fascinating marine invertebrates that belong to the class Asteroidea. Despite their name, starfish are not actually fish, but echinoderms, closely related to sea urchins and sand dollars. With their distinctive star-shaped bodies, they are one of the most recognizable and diverse creatures in the ocean, found in waters all over the world, from tropical coral reefs to cold, deep-sea environments. Starfish typically have 5 arms, although some species can have as many as 10, 20, or even 40 arms. Their bodies are radially symmetrical, meaning their arms radiate out from a central disc. The underside of each arm is lined with tube feet, which help the starfish move and capture food. These tube feet are equipped with suction cups that allow them to cling to surfaces and pry open prey like clams and mussels. The skin of a starfish is often covered with small spines or bumps, which serve as protection against predators. Starfish come in a wide variety of colors, including shades of red, orange, yellow, blue, and purple, which often helps them blend into their environment. Their size can range from less than an inch to over 3 feet across, depending on the species. Starfish are carnivorous predators, feeding mainly on mollusks like clams, oysters, and snails. They use their tube feet to latch onto their prey, applying force to pry open the shells. Once the shell is slightly open, the starfish performs a unique feeding method by averting its stomach, extending it out through its mouth and into the shell of the prey. The stomach releases digestive enzymes that break down the soft tissues of the prey, allowing the starfish to absorb the nutrients. Some starfish species are scavengers, feeding on dead or decaying organic matter. Others may feed on small fish, coral, or plankton, depending on their habitat and food availability. Starfish can reproduce both sexually and asexually. In sexual reproduction, males and females release sperm and eggs into the water, where fertilization occurs. The fertilized eggs develop into free-swimming larvae, which eventually settle on the ocean floor and metamorphose into juvenile starfish. Starfish are also known for their remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a starfish loses an arm due to injury or predation, it can regrow it over time. In some species, an entire new starfish can grow from a single severed arm, provided it retains part of the central disc. Starfish move slowly using their tube feet, which are powered by a water vascular system. This system allows them to control the movement of water through their bodies, which in turn enables their tube feet to extend and contract. By coordinating the movements of hundreds of tube feet, starfish can crawl along the sea floor at a slow but steady pace. Although they are not fast-moving animals, starfish are highly effective at finding food and avoiding predators. Their sensory cells located on the tips of their arms allow them to detect light, chemicals, and touch, helping them navigate their environment. Starfish are found in a wide variety of marine habitats, from shallow tidal pools to deep-sea environments thousands of feet below the surface. They thrive in coral reefs, rocky shores, kelp forests, and seagrass beds. Some species are adapted to withstand extreme conditions, such as cold temperatures and high pressure in the deep ocean, while others prefer the warm, tropical waters near the equator. Starfish have several natural predators, including fish, seagulls, crabs, and even other starfish. To defend themselves, starfish rely on their tough, spiny skin, which deters many predators. Some species also produce toxins that make them unpalatable to potential threats. In addition to their physical defenses, starfish can shed an arm when under attack, a process known as autotomy. This allows them to escape while the predator is distracted by the severed limb, which will eventually regenerate. Starfish play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As keystone species, their predation on mollusks helps regulate the populations of these animals, preventing overpopulation and maintaining the health of coral reefs and other habitats. However, in some cases, like with the crown-of-thorn starfish, population outbreaks can be harmful to coral reefs, as these starfish feed on coral polyps and can cause widespread damage. Starfish are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse marine environments. From their ability to regenerate limbs to their specialized feeding habits, starfish are a key part of ocean ecosystems. Despite their simple appearance, these animals play a vital role in the health of the seas, making them an important species to study and protect.